Hey friends, if Caps Lock is not working and stuck in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now before anything else, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to Keyboard and turn these three switches off for sticky, filter and toggle keys. Once this is sorted, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and wait for the page to load. We will have to update Windows from here. And if that doesn't help, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Open the Device Manager, expand the list for keyboards, right click on the first one, update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Okay, if this doesn't help, then check for the hardware. Try to connect it to a different system and check if it helps. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.